Your church potluck. It is a beloved tradition. It is a cornerstone of fellowship. But what if this cherished gathering is secretly sabotaging your health? We are talking about 5 common potluck dishes. They might be slowly killing you. This isn't about judgment. It is about wisdom. It is about honoring the temple. You love your church family. You want to share in the joy. You want to break bread together. But every potluck feels like a minefield. You don't want to offend anyone. You just want to eat well. You want to feel good. It is a real struggle. How do we honor God with our bodies, especially when Aunt Mildred's casserole is staring you down? We are called to be good stewards. This includes our physical health. Our bodies are temples of the Holy Spirit. We need to treat them with care. But potlucks can make this hard. They are often filled with love. They are also often filled with hidden dangers. It is time to uncover these secrets. The secret isn't just what you eat. It is what is in what you eat. Many potluck staples are delicious. They are also nutritional landmines. Let's reveal the first culprit. It is a creamy, comforting classic. It is often the star of the show. Think about those bubbly, cheesy casseroles. They are often made with canned soups. They are loaded with processed ingredients. They are packed with unhealthy fats. These casseroles are high in sodium. They are high in saturated fat. They are often low in actual nutrients. They are a recipe for inflammation. They are a recipe for heart trouble. They might taste like heaven, but they are not doing your body any favors. It is time to rethink the cream of mushroom soup. Next up, the dessert table. It is a beautiful display. It is also a sugar shock waiting to happen. We're talking about cakes, pies, and cookies, especially those made from mixes. They are full of refined sugars. They are full of artificial ingredients. They offer empty calories. They offer a quick energy spike. Then comes the crash. This sugar overload impacts your blood sugar. It impacts your energy levels. It impacts your long-term health. Sweet treats are fine in moderation, but potluck desserts are often anything but moderate. Many potlucks feature meat dishes. Think about those hot dogs. Think about the deli meat platters. Think about the sausage balls. These processed meats are often high in nitrates. They are high in sodium. They are high in unhealthy fats. They are linked to various health issues. This includes heart disease. This includes certain cancers. The Bible tells us to eat what is set before you, but it also encourages wisdom. It encourages discernment. Not all food is created equal. Pasta salads are a potluck staple. They seem innocent enough, but many are made with white pasta. They are drenched in heavy, creamy dressings. White pasta is a refined carbohydrate. It offers little fiber. It offers little nutritional value. The dressings often add hidden sugars. They add unhealthy oils. This combination can spike your blood sugar. It can contribute to weight gain. It can leave you feeling sluggish. It is a deceptive dish. It looks healthy. It often is not. Finally, let's talk about the drinks. The sweet tea, the fruit punch, the sodas. These are often overlooked. They are often consumed in large quantities. They are pure sugar water. They offer zero nutritional benefit. They contribute directly to sugar intake. They contribute to calorie intake. They contribute to dental problems. They are a silent killer. They add up quickly. They sabotage your health goals. They do it without you even realizing it. So what is the solution? Do we avoid potlucks entirely? Absolutely not. Fellowship is vital. Community is essential. We simply need to eat with wisdom. We need to make informed choices. We need to honor our bodies. 1. Be prepared. Bring a healthy dish to share. Make it something you know is good for you. Make it something others will enjoy. 2. Practice portion control. You do not need to try everything. You do not need to fill your plate. Choose wisely. Eat mindfully. 3. Focus on whole foods. Look for fresh vegetables. Look for lean proteins. Look for whole grains. These are the foods that nourish. These are the foods that sustain. 4. Hydrate with water. Skip the sugary drinks. Choose water instead. It is refreshing, It is healthy. It is free. 5. Be discerning. It is okay to politely decline. It is okay to say no thank you. Your health is important. Your well-being matters. You have the power to honor God with your choices. You have the power to be a good steward. If this video blessed you, subscribe for more truths and comment below with one potluck food you are going to approach differently. You are not in this alone.